Hello everybody, it's Frank again with another ATV video. In today's video, we will be building a front lift for the Can-Am. There are many ways to get clearance on an ATV. Portals, aftermarket A-arms, lift kits, bigger tires, etc, etc. We, however, will be looking at lift kits. There's a few styles of lift kits. Coil spacers, bracket lifts, full-on suspension upgrades, there's a lot of different ones. Full suspension upgrades are expensive. Coil spacers and bracket lifts, not so much. A coil spacer is basically a spacer, obviously, that you put at the bottom or the top of the coilover. It usually makes your ride kind of stiff, so it may make it a little tip happy. Bracket lifts, on the other hand, are a bracket, obviously again, that connects to the top of the shock where it connects to the body, pretty much relocating where the shock mounts onto the body. I wanted a bracket lift for my ATV. However, there isn't any. Super ATV used to make one, but they discontinued it for some reason. So I had no other choice but to make my own. So I bought some 3/16 steel, some grade 8 bolts, and began to measure and design what I was going to do. It's really easy to design. It's just two pieces of metal with two holes on each one that fit pretty much between where the shock and the chassis is of the ATV. So the majority of this video is just going to be me cutting, drilling, measuring, and then actually installing it. But that's enough of an introduction. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the video and I'll catch up at the end with you. As you saw, it went pretty smooth. The brackets seem pretty solid. I still haven't really tested it out by driving it off-road, but I think it'll hold up well. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.